But if he simply issues a citation, he can't guarantee Nathan will show up to talk to her in the morning.
He's got debated.
Just cut him loose. Fuck it.
Ultimately
Cut him
agreed.
loose. Just say no. I'm never coming back again and leave, Nathan. This is Explore With Us Bodycam. They're pretty badass too. I like their channel. 3.4 million, 1.5 million, 2.1, 2.2, 6.3. Lord.
We are experiencing this now. I know it sounds weird, strange, but it's true.
They don't share your same thought.
I didn't even think about that.
Well, you better think about it right now because you're this close to being handcuffs back on, bud. The IDs, they're saying that they're all fake.
What if I did get clearance?
That's probably not going to happen, though.
There's more to it.
A man makes it past the gate at one of the U.S. government's most highly protected properties, Area 51. While investigating the man's bizarre claims, the responding deputy will be invited behind closed doors into an area the public never gets to see.
Hey, can I run up there and make a phone call?
The following report is based on official police records, and the footage has never been seen before until now.
Nice.
In the middle of the night on January
Great FOIA pool. Explore with us.
21st, 2026, the Lincoln County Sheriff's Office gets a report of a trespasser at the Nevada Test and Training Range, a vast swath of land that includes a highly restricted facility known to the public as Area 51.
The Naruto in Area 51.
The deputy is waved through the gate and onto some of the U.S. military's most heavily...
Those sons of that mentioned my video about the storming Area 51 when they put it in that Netflix documentary. They didn't mention my name and they blurred out my name.
guarded property. Defended by a private security force known popularly as the Camo Dudes, Area 51's secrecy has led to conspiracy theories about what exactly is happening beyond these gates. And the man currently
I don't think the Camo Dudes want
being
you there,
detained
bud.
by security believes he's figured it out.
What's going on?
I've drove up here. I know it sounds weird, strange, but it's true. This is part of a time dilation facility, and we are experiencing this now. And you may not remember, I hope you remember it now. It's tied to Revelations. It's tied.
I gotta say, he sounds like a Southern preacher.
I mean, with heaven, you believe in, I believe in heaven.
I do too, but here's the deal.
Yeah.
There's a gate that has a no trespassing sign outside that.
Yes, I passed
that gate. You passed it. So you've seen the sign, and obviously you've seen the gate.
Narking on himself.
Okay. Did you come out here earlier too and try to open the gate?
I did.
You did. Okay.
Yes. No hostility intended.
No, by doing what you've done, that is hostility.
Oh.
This is the military, okay?
Okay.
Or this is no joke.
Right.
So you're out here because of some religious belief? Is that what I'm getting at?
Yeah. There's more to it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Something about time and travel, or
not travel. Dilate. It's experiencing this time.
Okay.
Multiple times.
Okay.
Yeah, drugs are
The deputy
bad.
doesn't appear to have an immediate interest in the man's theories of time and space, but he is interested in his ID badges.
What is this?
What's that?
Nathan? Is that your first name?
Yes.
What's this? Hell, just like a, this where you work, a contractor or something?
Yeah, that's Huntsville Hospital.
Alabama?
There's Huntsville Hospital, Feldown Brown. It's the green one. Redstone Arsenal. It's Army Material Command. And then NASA, Marshall Space Flight Facility.
Oh, shit.
All part of a space program. It deals with this, I know.
Well, unfortunately, you don't have permission to be out here. They would have known.
The deputy has
a long way from Alabama.
Dispatch check his Tennessee license for criminal history before returning to ask about his contractor IDs, which the Camo Dudes have deemed questionable.
Like, you contract with the government?
Yes.
Are you lying about that, or are you being honest?
Being honest.
Did you guys see any of his?
We saw the military badges, but
Do they?
me and my partner looked
We saw them. They looked like they came out of a cereal box.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
I mean, it could be real,
That's
but
Army Material Command.
yeah. Okay. But also, I thought maybe they could be like temporary type ones as well.
Yeah.
Those look a little bit
Damn,
more
dude.
kind of vague, like those. So
Of course,
He's making fun of him right to his face. Your badges are shit, motherfucker.
even if Nathan has a genuine contractor ID issued from the Army, it wouldn't give him clearance to sneak onto an Air Force base in the dead of night.
No.
But clarifying this won't be as simple as it sounds.
What point of why did you think you could come out here again?
For this time, right
Yeah.
here,
Yeah.
we're experiencing time, a reoccurrence of time, and I need
So time travel or
hoping
something.
not travel,
Dilation.
time
Come
dilation.
on.
Part of a space program tied to this facility and the Redstone facility, of which I have the badge to, and this is part of that time dilation
Okay.
facility.
What if I told you that you're wrong? Are you going to argue with me, or like you're 100% wrong? You're wrong.
I'm not going to argue with you.
God damn.
Why did you leave the first time? Because you're probably thinking maybe you probably shouldn't do
I
that.
gave up, and I started giving it a shot. I was hoping I wouldn't end up in handcuffs.
Well, you're probably gonna end up in jail.
Because of Nathan's theories about
Yeah.
time, even explaining that he's not allowed back at Area 51 in the future is a challenge.
If you were to leave and escort you out, you would not come back. Is that what you're telling me? So you had that opportunity to not get into
I'll
trouble.
come back. It'll be the same date. It's with the dilation, but not in a later date. No, I will not come back. That's what I'm thinking. Does that mean I'm not going to?
No, it doesn't make any sense at all.
Okay.
Hmm.
So no, it
Maybe he's from the future.
does not make
I'm not
any sense
gonna
because
come back at a later date.
I'm not going to I'm not doing any of that.
No, sir. This is part of a time dilation
fuck.
facility, and we
All
are.
right. Well,
That's wrong. He's works for NASA. You know, he did that spill.
As the deputy gives him the two paths forward, Nathan explains that he's actually celebrating.
Do you understand that there's two options, and the option one is go to jail, which I'm going to be honest with you,
he's talking a little crazy, but he doesn't seem like a crazy man.
that's still can happen.
Okay.
And the other one is a citation,
Okay.
which means you are going to get a citation
He's a
and be
traveler.
able to leave. But if you do that, I need to know that you're not going to come
After
back.
hearing about the discombobulator weapon the U.S. now has, I can believe about anything from aliens. Yeah, right.
If we were to
We melted those Cubans.
do that.
Okay.
No,
No, I'll leave
and not come back.
and not come back.
If that's what we choose to do. If I choose to do that. Is that right?
Yes.
So, are you on vacation or
It's a birthday trip.
birthday trip?
Yeah. It's tomorrow.
Your birthday's tomorrow?
Yeah. Yeah.
Do you really want to spend your birthday in jail?
Not particularly.
But when faced with the prospect of a
Nah.
lifetime ban, Nathan holds out hope that things could change.
If I were to cite you and give you the opportunity not to be in jail on your birthday, would you not come back? Ever?
Ever? Well, ever.
Just say no. I'm never coming back again and leave, Nathan.
Well, I'm telling you right now, you are not allowed back here ever.
What if I did get clearance?
Well, you can what if all you want, but that clearance you would. I'm not. That's
I
what
know
I'm
you're dilating too hard.
saying, Nathan. I'm not going there. I'm
I'm
saying
not
right
trying to
now.
be a smart ass. I promise.
Well, with this action,
Yeah, but it's I get the severity.
yeah.
If I was invited back,
Well, you'd have, yeah. That's probably not going to happen though.
okay, all right.
But
Well, I mean, if it's
yeah, I mean, I guess
Okay.
if it happens, it happens. But I'm telling you right now, that
Okay.
probability is like 1 in a trillion.
It's
Okay.
gonna be this situation anytime you come.
Anytime you come, you do not have
okay,
any
Okay.
right to
All right.
be on here.
deja vu.
If Nathan feels like this happened before, he's not the only one.
There's a state line my dispatch. We
Yeah.
have a day for them on our end.
So he's crossed before.
Yes, I believe so. The
Okay.
Redstone ID looked familiar.
Okay.
A report comes over the radio that
You called
Nathan
it
tried to
deja
get into
vu.
Nellis Air Force Base in Las Vegas last month.
Like,
So-
he actually came in
If I remember, because I remember that badge, and I think I remember the email.
Oh, so he's already snuck in here before.
He went up to our guard because we have an open gate there and attempted to get in with that red stone, and we denied access at that point.
A different
Nathan,
area.
you need to be 100% honest with me right now.
Ah, jeez, bud.
Okay?
Okay.
In December, were you in the state of Nevada of last year?
Yeah.
Okay. You were in Las Vegas?
Yes.
Did you try to go on to a base using one of your cards?
I pulled up to the gate and left.
Okay. So you did try to go on there.
They didn't. They didn't.
We need the other body cam.
They just asked me to leave. That was it.
Okay. Well, that's what I was referring.
Doesn't this channel also do true crime? Wouldn't this qualify as true crime? Yeah.
I didn't even think about that.
100% true crime.
Well, you better think about it right now because you're this close to being handcuffed back on, bud, and headed back.
The deputy remains.
Oh, God. Do a video on train crime and have them all from India. I don't think a day goes by I don't open up Instagram and see some skinny little Indian dude getting absolutely slimed by a moving train.
Concerned that Nathan's curiosity about time dilation will override his vow to stay off the base.
You're showing tendencies that you're going to come back and you're trying to get on the base. I'm telling you, your idea that you have in your head, it's not going to work here. It's not going to work on any base. They don't share your same thought.
Okay. Just take me.
Yeah. I mean, it's not particularly crimes. I guess the Indian dude's just like showing off, but 50 IQ showing off. I don't know. Is there a reason other than they're just retarded and it gives them a rush? Like, is there a cultural reason they just love walking in front of trains?
So what you're saying, you're going to try to continually do this?
Not necessarily, no.
With that answer, leaving room for
Juggernaut theory. I saw a couple people say that. What is that? Hold on. Oh, Dankiel already did a video about it because I was sitting here thinking, man, I should do a video about it. Originates from the English version of Jagana, Lord of the Universe, specifically referring to the massive unstoppable chariots used in the annual Rath Yatra procession in Puri, Odisha. Misinterpretations by British missionaries claiming devotees threw themselves under the wheels solidified its uses as a destructive for a certain object of blind, overwhelming devotion. Yeah, but you can tell a lot of these people aren't throwing themselves under trains on purpose. They're just like trying to hang off of them or dodge out of the way at the last second.
doubt. The deputy tries again.
If I give you a citation tonight, which is like the biggest birthday present
Redneck Caveman says, if I lived in India, I would do the same thing.
you've ever received in your whole life,
Okay.
Tomorrow's episode of Crime is Fun is Pokemon crimes. Next Friday is going to be animal crimes, and then the Friday after that is probably going to be special operations crimes.
your plan?
I believe I'll get a hotel room.
Okay, where at?
I guess I don't want to get one of the expensive ones without somewhere down that way.
He doesn't seem drunk, and he doesn't seem like the type of dude that would do a bunch of drugs, but who knows?
In there. And I recommend you get to a place away from here.
But even that may not be enough.
Don't do the fake voice off the rip. Moody said she likes it, so I don't care what you guys think.
The deputy speaks to an Air Force special agent who believes Nathan may be carrying counterfeit ID cards. And it is this final thread of the investigation that will lead the deputy into a never-before-filmed interior space.
All right,
Oh, he's the alien.
Nathan. Unfortunately, the IDs, they're saying that they're all fake.
Seems
So
like
you
he's
have-
just a weird guy. Yeah.
For the government.
Redstone Arsenal?
Huh?
Redstone Arsenal?
I don't think he works for Redstone.
NASA, the one of the NASA badge, and the other was an Army badge.
With the ID tags adding a new wrinkle in the mix,
They're all fake,
the
right?
deputy weighs his options.
We can arrest now for this charge of the IDs.
Yeah, so what was passed to us, right? So that's still up to your discretion.
Okay.
I got her number of contact for him. She wants to meet him at the Lincoln County Sheriff's Office.
The deputy tries to call the special agent again, but his phone isn't connecting, leading to a pivotal moment where he and his body cam will be invited further into Area 51 than any outsider has ever gone.
Can I run up there and make a phone call?
Yeah, we have a phone up there.
Okay. I'll use this number. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Already nearly a mile inside the gates, the deputy drives even further down the road to a nondescript building.
99, and then whatever numbers.
Did they know his body cam's on?
And then 79 sending out 377.
What if he's from another dimension where those are actually real IDs? Right, Wim? We don't know. We melt human beings with lasers now. Who knows?
What did you say, 99?
That's the shit they tell us about.
Yeah, 999 gets you off that one.
As the deputy tries to connect his call, gunshots can be heard in the background. The soundtrack to an action movie playing on TV. The deputy tells the special agent that he can make an arrest if she wants, but if he simply issues a citation, he can't guarantee Nathan will show up to talk to her in the morning.
Got debated.
Cut him loose.
The special agent ultimately
Cut him
agrees,
loose.
acknowledging that she wouldn't be able to say for certain that the IDs are fake without seeing them in person. But before leaving the security area, the deputy realizes that his lengthy investigation has begun to irritate the camo dudes.
I think you sent me a text that wasn't supposed to be sent to me. Yeah, well, I know, but you said, "Oh my God, this deputy." Now they said they can arrest for trespass. So,
Having cleared the air and gotten a glimpse of some of the most secluded and heavily guarded
They're all shit talking deputy.
military real estate in the country, the deputy heads back to Nathan.
I figured that's all it would be, is just, going to the security shack or even just standing in the desert. It's like, whoa, the furthest we've been.
all right,
The camera hut for that particular gate.
you've caused a lot of issues tonight.
Okay.
Okay. Here's this back.
Yes.
Here's your ID back.
Okay.
Okay. So you're being cited for criminal trespass. Okay.
Okay.
You need to contact the courts using this number right here.
Okay.
Okay.
Sorry for the trouble.
Well, I hope you are, but you caused a lot of trouble tonight. And, did they tell you about making contact and trying to get all that stuff back?
I've got it. Yeah.
Everything?
I've got a phone number. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Well, give you a citation. You're free to leave. I gave you your ID back, right?
Yes.
With that, Nathan's adventures behind the gates come to an end. The deputy's report doesn't indicate whether any determination was made regarding the legitimacy of his government IDs. However, it does indicate that instead of
J-Man, you just got an Alienware ad?
following advice,
It behoove you to get the farthest mileage away from this area you can.
Nathan drove to the nearby
These guys will kill you.
Area 51 themed Little Alien Motel in Rachel, Nevada, and appeared to get himself a room.
Nice.
There is no mention of him returning to the base on this or any
Is
other
that the one in Paul?
date.
You guys remember the movie Paul? I really like that. Well, Seth Rogen's not my favorite person, but Paul's funny as shit.